Welcome, friends. Welcome back. The series Great Women Achievers Award. It's not an award; it's a recognition for those women who has done a lot from last 25 years. And not only that, हमारी जो सेंचुरी के 1 क्वार्टर फिनिश हुआ है 2025 का, हमने 25 women को चूज़ किया है और आज हम एक एक करके सबसे मिले हैं. अब हम मिलने जा रहे हैं उमा मोदी जी से. उमा मोदी जी अपने आप में एक बहुत ही इंस्पिरेशनल वुमेन है, बहुत ही टैलेंटेड वुमेन है. एज इज़ जस्ट अ नंबर, उनसे पता चलता है उनको देख के, द वे शी हैज़ कैरीड हर सेल्फ एंड द वे शी हैज़ मोटिवेटेड वीमेन अराउंड हर. तो अभी हम जल्दी उनको इनवाइट करते हैं आज के सेशन में. उनसे ही जानते हैं कि व्हाट इज़ हर सक्सेस मंत्रा, वो आज भी कैसे इतनी मेहनत से इतना काम कर सकती हैं. तो उमा मोदी जी, वेलकम. ओके, सो टेल मी वन क्वेश्चन कि आप क्या करती, पहले अपने बारे बताइए.
By profession, I am an advisor with Max Life Insurance Company with 24 years, and next year is my silver jubilee. So that is my profession. I have secured more than 200 families, and by passion, I go for beauty pageants.
तो 25 साल आपके जॉब को होने वाले हैं. 25 साल ही हमारी सीरीज 2000 कंप्लीट हुई है और अगले साल आप एक सिल्वर जुबली मनाने वाले हैं अपने प्रोफेशन को लेके, और सिल्वर जुबली के ही अवार्ड्स आपको मिल रहे हैं 25 लेडीज़ को. तो मुझे एक बात बताइए कि आप जो हैं, आपको ज़िंदगी में वो मिला जो आपने चाहा था बचपन से?
When I shifted to Bombay, someone told me, do you like to do something? I just grabbed the opportunity and went on. Like for pageant also, I did the same thing. I had never dreamt to go on a big platform like this because I never knew anything about it. Even in insurance, I had no knowledge, but I got an opportunity and went on. In a beauty pageant also, I never knew anything, but I had never dreamt of all these things. Till 40, I was a housewife. So this was an opportunity, and that's what it went on. I did my profession 40 plus. Started my profession at 40 plus.
So you mean to say कि जहाँ लोग रिटायरमेंट की एज पर शुरू होना आते हैं, वहाँ से आपने अपना कैरियर को लिफ्ट दिया है.
I did the first beauty pageant at 60.
Oh wow, that's great. So you should be an inspiration to many women. हर इंसान का एक सपना होता है कि मैं जिंदगी में कुछ करूं. तो क्या वो लाइफ आपके लिए उतनी आसान थी और क्या आप वो अचीव कर पाए?
I think so. In our times, we had never dreamt of all these things because I was staying in Gujarat. We married at a young age, had children, so we were just busy in that family only. So we never dreamt of doing anything. But after coming to Bombay, I got an opportunity. So my life went on another track.
So what motivated you?
One of my friends used to send me, she's a beautician. She used to tell me, Uma, go for this beauty pageant. But I never knew what a beauty pageant was. But I just knew that ladies wear short dresses or Lakme or whatever beauty pageants happen. And I don't wear those type of clothes. So I said, I'm not going only. But then she one day said, "Tu pani mein pav dalegi to तैरना सीखेगी ना." So it was an ego hurt to me. I said, "चल मैं गई." And that is what I started my journey. And I came to my finals. So then that started my journey.
So मैं तो गई मतलब
ego.
मैं तो गई मतलब फिर आप गए. आपने कहा मैं तो गई, फिर तो आप गए, बहुत आगे निकल गए.
फिर आगे निकल गए. फिर I never looked back.
Okay, my next question is, as a woman, how challenging was your responsibility to manage your home as well as your work outside insurance and your beauty pageants, because that needs lots of time?
Because I started everything at a late age, so it was really challenging. I had my mother-in-law, she was 95. I have 3 daughters-in-law, so I had to balance both a family and a profession and passion. So that was a challenging, but then see, I never gave up. Challenges to har koi ko aayega. Without challenge, you cannot live a life only. Challenges aate gaye, but then I never gave up. So I was very patient and I went on.
What personal qualities helped you survive difficult phase in life? Was it your patience? What is your faith? Was it your self-motivation, or was it your discipline?
I think so. All these 4 things matter in a life, because if you have to be patient. Whenever you have a challenge, you have to be patient. You cannot take a decision just like that. then you have to have your faith in yourself also when you have a difficult situation. If you don't have faith in yourself, you cannot do anything. And discipline, so I think so everywhere you have to be very disciplined, otherwise you cannot go on only. So I think so all these four things are like a pillar to achieve anything.
So another question for you is how has the society changed looking from the perspective of women? औरतों को किस नजर से अभी देखा जाता है?
I think so it has changed a lot, because before the women were never recognized on big platforms like this, and now we have very big platforms where we come out of our comfort zone, we show our talent. So still now we did not have all those chances to come on a platform also. We had every woman would have a hidden talent, but then they never had any exposure or platform to come out of their comfort zone.
So how do you convince your people to go for insurance? Because you are in the field of insurance and that really saves life. That's the toughest job, what I feel. So how do you manage it?
I think so this is one of the toughest job, because nowadays everything is very different. And I think so when we meet 10 people, we hear 10 no and then come to one check. So that is very difficult, because see, insurance is never bought. If you want to buy a dress or something, we go to a shop, we take it and buy it and come back home. But insurance never is bought. It is always sold. So we have to convince the people a lot, because they say very less returns. Why do I need insurance? But then it goes on, because it's already in my blood and from 24 years.
Because there are so many insurance companies have come up, right? And then people are a little bit scared also. So much of fraud is going on. It's very hard to trust nowadays. I think when people take an insurance from Uma Modi, they don't trust the company, but they trust the brand, right?
Nah, it is thoda ulta, because when I started this job, I started insurance. It was a new company. It was a foreign and an Indian collaboration company. So first in the beginning, people used to say, I'm not taking a insurance tax, but because I know Uma Modi, I'm taking it from you. Because they never knew the company at that point of time. Now they know the brand. But still 10 to 15 years, they used to take on my name, because they never knew the brand.
तो उमा मोदी के ट्रस्ट पे लोग इंश्योरेंस लेते हैं, ब्रांड के नाम पे नहीं लेते हैं. मैं यही आपको कहना चाहते हैं कि आज उमा मोदी 25 साल में एक ब्रांड बन गई हैं. लोग इनके ट्रस्ट पर लेंगे कि हाँ उमा मोदी है तो हमें सेफ्टी है. सो व्हाट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू इज सक्सेस?
यू हैव टू बी वेरी जेन्युइन टू मेक पीपल ऑल्सो हैप्पी एंड टू सक्सेस तो कहीं से भी मिल जाएगा. बट देन इफ यू आर नॉट हैप्पी, इनर हैप्पीनेस नहीं है कि मेरे को आई एम नॉट हैप्पी एंड आई एम सक्सीडेड, सो दैट इज नॉट, आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट वुड बी अ रियल सक्सेस. So you also have to be happy to get a success.
आप एक एडवाइस दीजिए आज के यंगर जनरेशन को कि वो कैसे प्रॉब्लम से डील करे. जैसे कि इंश्योरेंस एजेंट हैं तो उनको जब क्लाइंट नहीं मिलते हैं वो गिव अप कर देते हैं. तो आपकी 25 साल की जर्नी से आप क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे?
See, I think so there are two aspects, because when I joined, I was 40. So I was mature. Nowadays, the youngsters with maybe age of 25, see, they have no patience, first of all. They are not satisfied. Na bol diya to main nikal ja raha hu. See, this is, if you hear 10 no's, you get 1 yes. So that you have to be very patient, you have to be very mature, and you have to go on with the flow. Milega, but it is difficult. It is not easy also. Nothing is easy in life. But then you will go on. But you have to be very patient, because na to sunna hi padega. It is not easy when you call a customer, I want to come and meet you. He'll say, no, don't come. So you patka dete phone. So that is not there, but that will go on. So you have to hear 10 no's to get 1 yes. After 24 years, So for these people, it is difficult, because they are very immature and they need easy money coming home, but that doesn't happen.
So thank you very much, Uma Modi ji. It was wonderful talking to you and your experience which you have shared of 25 years. So friends, you have heard Uma Modi ji का कहना है कि पेशेंस होना चाहिए, गिव अप नहीं करना चाहिए, ऑनेस्टली करना चाहिए. 10 ना बोलेंगे तो एक हाँ बोलेगा, बिकॉज वो पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड आपके अंदर है तो ही आप बिजनेस में सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. एनी बिजनेस, किसी भी बिजनेस में है, आप सर्वाइव तभी कर सकते हैं जब आपको खुद पर भरोसा हो कि मैं कर सकता हूँ। और बिकॉज आजकल बहुत फास्ट टाइम जा रहा है, तो लोग बहुत जल्दी बिजनेस चेंज करते जाते हैं कि उनको लगता है इसमें सक्सेस नहीं मिला तो दूसरा करूं, बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। सक्सेस अगर आपको मिलना है तो आपकी मेहनत से मिलना है। जो भी बिजनेस आपने शुरू किया है, यू कैन ऐड ऑन, बट यू शुड नॉट डिस्कनेक्ट फ्रॉम द बिजनेस विच यू हैव स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट। So thank you very much, Uma Modi ji. It was nice talking to you.